Well, it's pool opening time now, and I'm going to show you a do-it-yourself pool leak detection that you can do yourself. I bought this for about $220. Got a nice retro amp here, and the same microphone that they use by the professionals. But this is the retro amp here. The only downside to it is it uses up the 9-volt battery pretty quick. I bought it for $23 from Aquarian Audio and Scientific. And then here's the Hydrophone. It's got the Aquarian CA51 on there, but on the invoice has item H1A-15. It was $179, so I paid $220 for this system. These are the two patch kits I use on my pool and my mom's pool. Just a vinyl repair kit. Use this on the big holes. You can use this stuff here. It's kind of like it looks like a caulk when it comes out, a kind of rubbery caulk. You wad it up in the ball and then push it over the hole and just kind of flatten it around the edges. Now this isn't good for big holes because it'll do like a swirl in. The water pressure will push it down into the hole. So use this on big holes, use this on small holes. So this is the same microphone that the professionals use, and they usually charge $400, $450 to come out and look at your pool to see where your leaks are. They did that to my mom's pool. They charged her $450 to come out and check for leaks. They said that she has too many leaks and need to replace the liner. Well, her liner's only 2 years old. So I bought this equipment, brought it to her house and checked it out, and she had a lot of holes. I was able to patch most of them. I got to go back this year, this spring now, and go patch the rest of them and see if we can get it to last a little bit longer. If not, we'll have to replace the liner. But this is a good cheap way to test for leaks. Now the reason my mom had so many holes in her pool is because the ants ate the liner, and I use this tool to find all the leaks. So I'll show you what I did last fall and how to find it, and what this sounds like in the water, and how well it works. So this is what a leak sounds like. So these are the leaks I found. This one, right there's a big one. There's another one. So those are the big three right there. Here's an example of a small leak. So I pulled the liner back to check for holes, and also we sprayed some ant spray down along the line there where the ants were coming in. So I'll show you in the next clip how I used a flashlight to find holes. Flashlight back behind the liner right now so I can find these holes on the sidewall. And that one shows up good. The flashlight. I found a few more. And here's the proof of all the ants that ate the liner, a bunch of dead ones. Yeah, one other thing I should mention is you can also take these to the lake or the ocean and listen to the whales or underwater life. It's good for that. So I hope this video helped you with your own pool leak detection.